Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abdullah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are discovered blur tool, how to use blur tool and how to blur images in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start the video. Before start this video, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing videos. Let's jump to the PC screen. First of all, open your Photoshop. I also download a picture from pixel.com, copyright free picture, and click on create new and click on create. And now I import the picture that I download from pixel.com. Now you can see here two birds. Now we blur the background. First of all, go to filter menu and here you can see blur gallery and click on iris blur. When you click on iris blur, and you can see the iris here, and this is the adjustment level, blur adjustment, like this. You can see here. You can also adjust the iris angle here, like this and like this. You can adjust the blur from here. You can also uncheck this to check the review of this. Click on OK and now you can see the blur smoothness of this picture. You can also test some other things like this tool. This tool is very amazing. You can edit your pictures with this. You can also add another blur, iris blur, feed blur, spin blur, and you can also add some box blur. There are many categories of the blur here. If you want to save this picture, press Ctrl S and click on save on computer and save this file as its name and choose the format JPEG here. Name this file and click on save and then click on OK. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. Goodbye.